Apni Rashtrabandhu, Rebuild India is a vision that we have been working for the past 25 years, which is an all-inclusive vision. It's time that we take the implementation of this vision to the next level. Who are we looking to? What do we need from you? We need individuals who can join us full-time, who are excellent graduates, creative, passionate, media savvy, and patriotic. Those who can engage part-time also can connect with us. There are a lot of aspects that you can work with us. You can teach our kids in our school, which is the Rebuild India Sanatan School. Work on the Rebuild India publication, that's a magazine. Work on the research and development related to Dharma, Rashtra and global systems. Work towards networking with individuals and institutions who are committed to Dharma and Rashtra. Build our institutions further with us. Engage in our community work and leadership and development activities, projects, our women empowerment programs, Sanatana Shala Sangathan, and a lot more. The extent and the range of work that you will be doing will satisfy your hunger for excellence and the craving for a sense of purpose. Why do you have to join Rebuild India? Rebuild India intends to be one of the greatest contributors towards India becoming a Vishwa Guru by 2047. The Rebuild India associates will be taken care of in the aspects of income, health, their children's education, social security for life. Who can join us? Doctors, engineers, lawyers, architects, entrepreneurs, scientists, whoever you are, if you are committed to the cause of Rashtra and Dharma, be with us. Dharmo Rakshati Rakshitaha. Those who work towards taking care of the installation of Dharma will be taken care of by Dharma. Remember, the best needs to come back to schools. The best needs to work at the roots. Join us and together we will rebuild India.